Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a circle logo design. This is very simple but very creative and just little time to me do like that very easily. So no more talk, I just start. Let's begin today. First of all, I need to know just to like all the things and a little bit smaller and keep to the corner side, and I think a little bit more smaller and keep to the corner side. Better follow. So first of all, what do we need to do? I just see to the dashboard so many tools over here, but I need to just go to the ellipse tool. Here by pressing you can see so many tools, more tools over here, but I needed the ellipse tool. And I needed now just to you see the indicating the center. So I needed to the center, and I needed now close this fill color. But I needed now the stroke color, and I need a little bit here. That I think it's okay. It's done and good. How is magic? But I need to now just pen tool. Like the pen tool. And I think it's done. It will be better. You need it here, just like that, and go over here. I think it's okay, and I think I click here. I think okay. I think okay. Be like that. Little bit. It's okay. And go to the over here. Mix like that. Okay. There to it over here. But I need to now just to push. Now I need to select this one, and I think just select all the things and go to the over here, expand, okay, and I need to just go to the rebuild tool and delete unnecessary things by pressing all the key. Oh, sorry, it's not done. I need to now just go over here. I need to now select thing and go to the over here. I don't know what will happen, but let me try. Okay, okay, it's done. Just now go over here, expand. Okay, go here and cut unnecessary all the things. Okay, I think I had a problem. I think it's some mechanical problem. So I needed I I need to now just to get all the things more better to go to the in over here, and sorry for that, it's taking time, much more time. Okay, put over here. But the one thing is that I need to now just to click for things, and I need fill color. I need to color. So it's okay. So again, I need to go to the here and the part, upset part preview. It's okay. So now I need to select all things and go to the one more. Okay. But I need to go in here, delete unnecessary things. There, there. I need to know things there. But there again, I need a little bit bigger. Yeah, okay, clear all the things. So I need to now just change to there again. So I need to now just to ungroup all the things. I adjust things and change the color over here like that. And I need to just red color there. You see, it's very simple. Circle logo. So if you try or pay attention to tutorial, you're gonna easily learn this. So no matter talk, just thanks for watching.